Let's talk about the 3 biggest secrets to a successful online business that not everyone is talking about. My name is Justas and I make videos about doing business online and making money online. Subscribe and hit the bell to receive all the updates. The secret number 1. Not everyone knows what is the difference between sales funnel and a website. Well, basically, they both are web pages. Everyone knows what's a website. In a website, all information about the product is written in one place. But if you send people to a website, you're not going to convert a lot of sales. But the sales funnel is different. It's designed in a way to lead a potential buyer to buy the product. If you use sales funnel, it's basically like a marketer guiding them step by step through the marketing process. And since it's automated, it works 24/7. Both of these things are important, and if you have an online business, you should probably have an online website. And you should definitely have a sales funnel. You've probably seen advertisements saying, email marketing is dead, sales funnels are dead. Well, I assure you, it's not. So, the first secret is having a sales funnel. Moving on to the secret number 2. It is having a full value ladder in place. Now you might ask, what's a value ladder? Well, it's having various products ranging in price. A good affiliate marketing program will have a great value ladder. It will have a tripwire product ranging from $1 to $7 in price, and it will have another products that can cost $5,000 and more. What's the purpose of a value ladder, you might ask? Well, imagine selling a $2,000 product to a stranger. What's the chance that he will buy that? Well, I suppose it's not a big chance. But imagine selling a $7 product to a stranger. Now we have a much bigger chance that he will buy that. Having a great value ladder, a prospect buys a starter package and he learns everything what is provided in that package. And if he wants to continue and learn more, he can buy the bigger package. Sounds good, right? And what does that mean for us affiliate marketers? Well, we earn multiple commissions from the same person. And in conclusion, everybody's happy. So the secret number 2 is having a full value ladder. The secret number 3 is all about the following up. Email follow-up is the best way because you can always reach out to your email subscribers. Now imagine if suddenly all social platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok would disappear. You would still have your email list that you can do the following up. In that way, you still get traffic, you send offers and make money. So this is very important because email list is the real asset for us affiliate marketers. If a person signs in and wants more information about the business, so it's very important for you to have a good set of emails for that person. I recommend sending 1 email every day for 7 days, but the best would be 14 days and more. According to statistics, only 10 to 20% of people who went through the sales funnel bought the product. The rest of the people subscribed only. Email follow-up gives around 20% in sales. So now you have that 80% of people who are subscribed to your list and you can do the following up. So those are 80% of people that you would lose if you send them to a website instead of a sales funnel and do the follow-up. A good sales funnel and a good follow-up multiplies your conversion rate. So that's the third secret, having a good follow-up for your business. Let's conclude everything. These are the 3 secrets to a successful online business. Having a sales funnel, having a following up, and having a full value ladder. I hope you got some value out of this, and if you did, do me a favor, like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. See you guys!
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom.